Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
People should have comfort while traveling. People should move towards a situation where least pollution is there. When these buses move, not only it is clean environment because they don't cause pollution, there is no sound also. My aim is to get more than 500 buses as soon as possible. In fact, I have asked the center that Goa should have all electrical buses. We have today launched some of the electrical buses from Vasco city up till Panjim. We don't have many charging stations. I have directed Kadamba, earlier also I told him, but I will ensure that I am telling my chairman also, wherever Kadamba depots are there, so that they can easily go charge and come, they should put this charging station.
खरें म्हळ्यार जेन्ना आमचे भायरसून लोक येता तेन्ना खंय तरी आमच्या बाकीच्या स्टेटींनी आमी पळयता की त्या स्टेटींच्यो ट्रान्सपोर्ट बसी आसता आमचे गोंयचे केन्ना दिश्टी पडनासलेले सो आमचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराचें एक प्लॅनिंग आसलेलें की आमच्यो कदंबा बस ह्यो ट्युरिस्टांक कळचे गोंयान सुद्दां आमच्यो गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो बसी आसता त्यो खातीर आनी तितून कित्याक लोकांक एक बरी सर्वीस मेळटा आनी बरे लो बजेटा भितर लोक आपल्या खंय तरी व्हडल्यान पावपाक शकता
खंय तरी वास्कोकारांक जे आमी सदांच आमी फाटीं आशिल्ले ते खंय तरी बेनिफीट मेळपाक वास्कोकारांक सुरवात जाली म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी बऱ्यो गजाली वास्को जायत आसा आनी लोकांचोय सपोर्ट आमकां मेळत आसा इतल्यो बऱ्यो गोश्टी फुडेंय जावपाच्यो आसता हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की सगळ्यांनी कळ सोदची सगळ्या कडेन कामां स्टार्ट जाल्या आमी कोलॅबोरेशनान तांचे एडवायसा सकयल आमीय काम करतात.